Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice vermicelli. First, choose your preferred type of rice vermicelli, whether thin or thick, for your recipe. Then, place the dry noodles into a large bowl and cover them entirely with cool or lukewarm water. Let them soak for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are soft and flexible. It is important to avoid using hot water, as this can cause the vermicelli to become overly soft and break apart easily. Once your vermicelli has soaked sufficiently, it is time to cook them. Bring a generous pot of water to a vigorous boil. Carefully add the softened rice vermicelli to the boiling water. Cook them for a very brief period, typically between 1 and 2 minutes, or until they are just tender to the bite. Remember, these noodles cook very quickly, so be sure not to overcook them, as they will continue to soften slightly after being removed from the heat. After cooking, promptly drain the rice vermicelli using a colander. This quick action is crucial to prevent them from becoming overcooked. Next, rinse the noodles thoroughly under cold running water for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This cold rinse effectively stops the cooking process and removes any excess starch, which helps to keep the noodles from clumping together. Gently shake the colander to remove as much water as possible. Now that your rice vermicelli is perfectly prepared, it is ready to be incorporated into your favorite dishes. These versatile noodles are excellent in stir-fries, fresh spring rolls, or as a base for a flavorful noodle salad. You can also add them to hot soups for a comforting meal. Toss them with a delicious sauce, some crisp vegetables, and your choice of protein. Enjoy your freshly made rice vermicelli right away for the best culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.